So, good evening children, happy to meet you again with this video class. And as you have completed the question answers from the textbook and the grammar part in the textbook, let us step into the workbook, that is your part 2 English workbook. Okay, now the same lesson, Tenali Rama and the Great Pandit. Okay, now what we are going to deal is the question and answers in the workbook. Okay, what is the first question? What I really liked in the story. What did you like in the story? You have to write in this answer. I really liked the story. It was very funny, but at the same time very informative. The story is funny, isn't it? It is funny because Tenali Rama made something which do not exist and he made everybody laugh. Did you ever see a book with the sheep dung? No. Did you ever see a book made of till? Did you ever see a book made of buffalo hide? Tenali Rama made that, so it became funny. And it is very funny, at the same time very informative. Informative means it gives knowledge about something. The story taught me how important is it to have presence of mind to get out of difficult situations. Isn't it? Did you learn how to get out of difficult situations from this? Presence of mind means using your mind at different times. How you need is called presence of mind. Yes, let us step into the next question. What I learned from the story. I learned a few Sanskrit words from the story. It was very informative. Did we learn the Sanskrit words from the story? Tilakasta Mahisha Bandhanam. Yes? Those are the Sanskrit words. So next. Why is the Pandit described as arrogant? Why is the Pandit said as arrogant, children? Is he humble? No. But he is arrogant. Arrogant means very proud. Because he said that he is an expert in every field and he is the wisest of all, and he said nobody could defeat him. Isn't it? So, he was arrogant. The Pandit was described arrogant because he thought of himself the wisest of all. He even challenged all the ministers of Vijayanagara court to have a debate with him on any topic, as he claimed to be an expert in every field. Understood? Now, what plan did Tenali make to defeat the Pandit? What was the plan Tenali made, children? Did he bring some elephants and defeat him? Did he bring the swords and hammers or something to defeat him? Did he make a war? No. But let us see what Tenali made. Tenali Raman took a small bundle and folded it in the shape of a book. He announced in the court that he was ready to have a debate with the visitor, but the debate would be only based on the great book Tilakasta Mahisha Bandhanam. Yes, children? Did he say that or he did not say? Yes, he said. Because Tenali Rama said, yes, I am ready for the debate with you, but the debate will be only on one topic, which is on the great book called Tilakasta Mahisha Bandhanam. So, because of this, the Pandit do not know what the book is. Nobody knows what the book is, so he could not prepare. If he did not prepare, he will lose the debate. The same thing happens with us, no children. If we don't prepare and write the exam, we will lose the marks. The same thing is this. And now next, coming to what condition did Tenali put before the Pandit, and how did the Pandit react to the condition, and what did he do? What was the condition, children? What did Tenali Rama say? Tenali Rama said that only on Tilakasta Mahisha Bandhanam I am going to have a debate. He said, yes. How did Pandit react? Did he jump and say, oh, is this the thing? I know everything. Did he say that? No, but he was confused. He was very much stumped. Stumped means confused. He was very much confused to know that he do not know something called Tilakasta Mahisha Bandhanam. Isn't it? So let us read the answer now. The condition was that the debate would be based on the great book Tilakasta Mahisha Bandhanam. The Pandit was stunned as he had never heard of that book. He asked the king to give him 1 night's time. How much time, children? 1 night's time to prepare for the discussion. Okay? So So let us go with the seventh answer now. What did the king ask Tenali when he came to the court for the discussion, and why was the king surprised to hear Tenali's answer? What did the king ask Tenali? Yes, when he came in his appointed time, Tenali came to the king's court, right? So when he came, the king asked like, what is that book? Tell me Tenali, what is that book? He said. And the Pandit also ran away. Let me know what that book is, he asked. And why was the king surprised, children? The king was surprised to know how Tenali's knowledge is working and how he defeated the Pandit, right? So let us read the question. Even though the king was a learned man, still he had never heard about the book and he wanted to read it. So asked Tenali about the book. Tenali replied that there is no such book as Tilakasta Mahishabandhanam, and inside the bundle were some till and some sheep dung and tied with a rope made of buffalo's hide. Are we not? We are also surprised, you know. Did you ever see the book made like that? With some till, some sheep dung and tied with a buffalo hide? Is any of your textbook or workbook or classwork book like that? Or did you see any kind of story book like that? No. Yes, even I never saw, children. Because only Tenali Rama knows that and only he prepared that book. Okay? So complete all these question answers in your workbook and let us meet in the next class. Bye children.